Welcome back, everyone. Today we have the Honda Fit back. So problem today is rear view camera. So if your backup camera is not working, the first scenario you need to check is the fuse box. Go under your engine bay and pop up this box, and the fuse you're going to be looking at is for the backup camera, and that is this 15 fuse, the blue one. So what you're going to do is check the continuity between these two, or use the provided, it's right on the lid, this tool to basically pull, visually see the continuity. See right there, it's perfectly an arc in between and it's not broken. So that's good. You can check with the multimeter as well. Another way to check is to just swap a fuse. These two are extra, so take this and swap it with the 15, and if it starts working, go get a 15 and put it back in there. If that's working, then we get to the back of the camera and see what's going on. So I throw it in reverse, and as you can see, the camera signal is working. It's going to the right channel to display the camera, but the picture is not coming through and looks like it's fogged up. I could see a little bit, so let's go inspect the camera to see what's going on. I don't know what happened. Looks like water entered the inside of that plastic and made it fuzzy. What can we do? Ideally we should change the camera, but before that we can try just wiping this. Right now I'm just wiping with my t-shirt, so nothing fancy. All we have to do is slide this out, and for that to happen we need to take this panel off. I showed you how to take the panel off, and then we come to this particular wiring harness here. You're going to press this little tab and then disconnect it. All right, what we're going to do now is, if you look in this particular clip right here, it's kind of hard to see, but right there, that clip right there, we're going to push it this way, ideally using a screwdriver, but it can be done with the hand as well. So squeeze it this way. Hold it for a second. And you push it further out, and the camera is loose. Now you flip it to the top here, camera is loose, camera comes off, and the harness comes off as well. See if we can get the top layer off. Just like that. Looks like there it is. So now we got the top layer off. It gives me an opportunity to completely clean it and super glue it back, and also gives me an opportunity to clean the inside. As you can see, there's some white particles down there. I don't know what it is. I'm going to clean it with alcohol and hopefully restore it. The lens and the lens cover both needed to be cleaned. I don't know how, but the lens had a bunch of gunk in it that we finally were able to do with rubbing alcohol and got rid of some. Same with the lens cover, and I was able to get the lens cover clean and transparent. It's not opaque anymore. Let's put it back together and see if it fits tight. It is a very snug fit. Stop it. You can stop it. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if the cleaning of all those lens and lens cover did anything. Nothing. Yeah, after cleaning the whole camera, it doesn't do any good, and it was pretty fuzzed up no matter what. So bottom line, we need to change the camera. Here's a tip. The dealer quoted me $260 for the direct OEM replacement, and you could pull it off of eBay for about $100. Aftermarket part, they're selling anywhere from $35 to $50 range. So we'll try one of that and see if it works. So you get a replacement, reverse the process, put the harness in first, and you hook this side up, and then you click this side. So you'd hook the right side and you click the left side, and the new one will go right in, just like how the old one came out. Okay, and that's how you'll change your replacement. And then don't forget to attach the harness and put back this whole panel, and that is nothing but a whole bunch of little clips that will snap together. I bought a direct replacement part from eBay for about $60. Came in 2 days, and we swapped out the part, and it looks wonderfully, as you can see here. It just has pretty darn good picture. Everything's solved. That's the end of the video, and I will put the link in the description for all the part number and everything. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.